these members of our community.
Akiaria kaunti na Nakuru hindi ya mucemanio na arugamiriria kaunti 41, Murugamiriri wa ihinda wa kigina giki Magdaline Kipkemei na rorire arugamiriria gutigira ni makura na andu aria kuna mena mitangiko na mafatairio ni kigina giki.
Why we are here is to orient them on the fund mandate, guidelines, government policies, especially priorities of government in the recently announced, including the big four.
Muikariri gite wa ihinda wa kigina giki Ndagitari Florence Murgor ni uritie mwingi kuyumagiria niguo guthurimo kana ni mandikithitio kwamukira kigina giki kira gikoragwo kirongoreirio andu matari uhoti.
Come in numbers and come when they have been vetted and seen to belong to that affirmative action group, so that we do not duplicate with other funds. Because this fund is tailor-made for the really poorest members of our communities.
Murugamiriri wa kigina giki kaunti ya Narok Sankale Juliet augite ni mambirire guthomithia mwingi mendikithia ma thirikari megie kigina giki.
Jukumu langu ni kuhakikisha kwamba fedha za serikali zimewafikia wale ambao wanafaa kufaidika, na ili kwamba tena wananchi wajue miradi ambayo serikali imeanza kuleta, na ni mambo mapya ambayo yanazungumzia mambo ya affirmative action, au ni vijana, kina mama, watu walemavu na pia wazee wakongwe.
Kigina giki kirongoreirie guteithia makiria ya Kenya milioni 3 aria magumeirwo ni ukia kwirugamia muturire-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ni njitagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.